This video is a quick overview of solving linear equations. We're going to start with a super simple one. Solve for x. 2x plus 5 equals 11. So in high school, you were taught to subtract 5 from both sides, and usually we put minus 5 on the bottom on both left-hand side and the right-hand side. So I'm actually going to use the exact same technique, but slightly different in terms of notation. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to move this positive 5 to the right-hand side. When we do that, the positive 5 becomes negative. So 2x stays on the left. On the right, it's 11 minus 5. So 2x equals 6. Then you have to divide by the number in front of x. So x equals 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now, let's do the same technique, but with a slightly more difficult question. So 5x minus 8 equals 28 plus 9x. So this time the x's are on both sides of the equal sign, and so are the numbers. So in order to solve this, we need to put all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the 9x to the left and move the negative 8 to the right. The signs will flip. So 5x, instead of plus, it's going to be minus 9x equals 28 plus 8. So every time you go from one side of the equal sign to the other side of the equal sign, the positive will become negative, the negative will become positive. So the signs flip-flop. Now it's just like terms. 5x minus 9x is negative 4x, and 28 plus 8 is 36. Then you still need to divide by the number in front of the x, which is negative 4 in this case, so negative 9 is your answer. Now we'll go ahead and add some distributive property into the mix. Let's start with something like this. 12 equals negative 4 times negative 6x minus 3. So the first thing you're going to do is distribute that negative 4 inside the parentheses. So 12 equals negative 4 times negative 6. That's positive 24 times x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Now, just like before, we're going to go ahead and move this 12 to the left-hand side. 12 minus 12 equals 24x. Now, 12 minus 12 is just 0, equals 24x. Remember, we always divide by the number in front of the x. So this is 0 divided by 24, which is still 0. 0 is a perfectly good answer in math, so don't be afraid to use it whenever it does come up. Now let's do one more. And this time there's going to be two sets of distribution here. So 2x minus 5 minus 4 equals 4x plus 2. We're going to go ahead and distribute the 2 on the left-hand side. 2 times x, that's 2x. 2 times negative 5, that's negative 10. The negative 4 is not inside the parentheses, so the 2 does not apply to it. Then on the right-hand side, we're going to distribute the 4. 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 2, 8. Now, on the left, we do have a set of like terms, so let's go ahead and take care of that. 2x, negative 10 plus a negative 4, that's negative 14. 4x plus 8. And now we have a situation where, again, the x's are split between two different sides of the equal sign. The numbers are also split. So let's go ahead and put the 4x to the left, and we'll put the negative 14 to the right. The signs will flip. So 2x minus 4x, 8 plus 14. So this will be -2 if you combine like terms on the left, equals 22 if you combine like terms on the right, and then divide by the number in front of x. 22 divided by -2, which is -11.